Hello everyone, Mar here, and today I'm going to show you how to create reel covers using Canva. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open Canva, and under your designs, we're going to click on social media. After you select social media, we're going to click on Instagram, and we're going to select either Instagram Reel, but this will create it as a video. You don't want that, so we're simply going to go for Instagram Story, and as you can see, they are exactly the same size. So this will give us the measurements that we need. So I'm going to say something like create a cover for a travel agency. I'm just going to use that as an example. I'm going to click next. And as you can see, Canva is going to give us different templates that we can use and that we can start customizing. Okay, so I like this template. If I was working on a travel agency, I would really like the look of it. Maybe I'm going to take off this picture and this one too, and this one too. And I'm going to search for photos. So maybe I need photos from Paris. Let's say that we're giving a discount for Paris. Grab the image and leave it where it goes on the template. And then maybe this other picture from the Louvre. That will look pretty cool. And then tour and travel agency. So it says visa assistance, hotels and flight, travel packages, international tours. A lot of templates come with different things that you might not need. For example, I'm not a fan of these dots, so I'm going to simply select them and remove them. I'm also going to delete this. This is a space meant for your ad, so like your username, but I'm going to delete that because we actually don't need that for a reel cover. This is also too much text for a reel cover, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit cleaner. As you can see also, this template has a beach as a cover. I'm going to simply select the background and delete it because we're not going to the beach anymore. We want to give vibes of Paris. So I'm going to select this image right here, and I'm going to select set as background. All these letters are a little bit too small for a reel cover, so I'm going to make them bigger, and I'm going to select all of them and bring it right here at the middle. I'm going to remove some of these things that we don't need. Remember that this is a Reels cover. The less, the better. I'm just organizing the text right here and centering it. And that's it. That's the Reel cover that we just created for a travel agency. Of course, you're going to do this based on your business. But yeah, I hope this video helped. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below. Bye.